It is Martin Luther King birthday weekend. And so this came to me and I just wanted to come on and share. So Martin's dream, we've heard the speech, we've seen the marches, but he died in 1968 and this is now 2023. God has blessed us to still be here, and some of us, a lot of us, are living and reaping the benefits of the dream. But then there are those. Y'all, let's just keep it real. Your portion of the dream is a nightmare. And listen to what I'm saying. You turn this dream into a nightmare if we're killing one another. We're not showing each other love. We're doing things that are condescending to others. Let's not make his dream a nightmare. All you have to do, start all over again. Like so. Go back to sleep. Wake up with a different mindset. Let's keep the dream alive. We could do this. We could do it. We owe it to him. We owe it to our forefathers who marched, who made a way, who didn't have the freedoms that we had. Young men, pick your pants up. Young ladies, cover yourselves up. Let's start there. Send your kids to school. Teach your kids to be respectful. Alright. I just wanted to come on, share that. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
For the kids, yeah, cover ears. Had to put in order all of my fears. Now when I step out, I'll be well prepared. Yo, pop out anywhere, yeah, we was never scared, yeah. We was everywhere, yeah, but you was never there. People love to compare, but we just never cared. We just always did our thing. Every year we took the stairs. Back when Dylan ain't have a bed, we will always volunteer. Now we young pioneers, yeah, they see us switching gears. We some future billionaires, repping Brooklyn everywhere. So it's